Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to add printer on Mac. Want to connect a printer to your Mac but not sure where to start, whether you are using a wireless printer, a USB printer or even an old office printer. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a printer on Mac step by step. And don't worry, this works on MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and almost all macOS versions. So let's get started. First, before connecting the printer, make sure first your Mac is connected to Wi-Fi. Here you can see on the menu bar. Second, wireless printer. If you are using a wireless printer, both the printer and Mac should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are using a USB printer, simply connect it to your Mac using the USB cable to your USB port of your Mac. Now let's open scanner setting. There are two ways to open it. First, click on this Apple icon. Now click on System Preferences. Now at the bottom you can see here printers and scanners. Just click on printers and scanners and you can see here it is open. And the other way, if you can't find it on your system settings, just press Command plus spacebar to open Spotlight search and search for printers and scanners. As you can see here, just open it. Once you select the printer, your Mac will automatically download the required drivers. This is completely normal. And if you want to add the printer, you can add as well from this plus icon. Click on this plus icon. Just search the name of the printer. If you are using USB printer, just search it here. Name here of the printer. And if you have Wi-Fi printer, just click on this and search here the name of this Wi-Fi printer. If you connected the printer using USB, your Mac usually detects it instantly. Just select the printer and click Add. After finishing this, if you may find some common issues, like if your printer is not showing up, try these quick fixes. Restart your Mac or restart the printer. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. It is mandatory that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Move the printer closer to the router or reconnect the USB cable. And second, sometimes older printers require manual drivers. In that case, visit the printer manufacturer website. If you have HP or Canon or Epson, all these kind of printers, just open all these official websites and download the latest Mac driver for your printer model. According to your printer model, download that driver for your Mac. If you use one printer regularly, you can set it as a default printer. Go back to printer and scanner and click on default printer option and choose your preferred printer. And that's how you add a printer on Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below which Mac tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching.